Metro Life flight?
Took me from hospital over here to Cleveland.
No.
After my motorcycle accident when I got hit.
You got hit?
Yeah.
When?
You were like a couple months old.
Wow. By a helicopter?
No, I got hit by a car on my motorcycle. We had a life flight in the hospital.
Oh yeah. So you had to go on the Metro Life flight. I think that would be more easier to get there.
It was. That's why they do it, because it gets you there faster. It's for really big emergencies where you don't have a lot of time.
I knew they were here, but I didn't know where.
Tucker reminds me of one of those basketball or football players. I forgot that crashed from a helicopter.
Oh, Kobe Bryant.
Yeah. I can't clap. I do things with my hand. I clap like this. Yeah.
I mean, I forgot about monster trucks until you had these kids on. You watched the video.
The only monster truck I saw from Walmart when I was with my grandma. It was so big. It was like a toy monster truck. Yeah. I was like 6. I am, because it's yummy. That was. I wish there was more to it. Is there a bit of water with me? I'm thirsty.
Well, let's go find something to drink. Come on.
I think they have a little water filter here somewhere.
They'll have something.
I tried. You're one of the most fastest one in my family. You're a very fast walker in my family. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bubbles! Bubbles! Bubbles. Aw, the fans can't see them. Honk, honk. My grandma's trying to scare people. That did not really work on me though. I don't know how.
Go to the other side.
Okay.
You guys can hop in.
No, go ahead. We've been in there a couple times.
Okay. That's going to be your school bus.
Do they have drinks anywhere in here? Do they have drinks anywhere just out here? Anything to drink? He's thirsty. Oh, that.
Can you hold
Water.
this?
I trade you.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sugar probably made you thirsty.